Hey everyone, so we're back to welding more razor blades together. Trying to get the hang of this, trying to get this down. This one, where's my finger? There it is. This one here is the first one I did, and this one down here, this one right here, is the last one I did. And if we just go down the line here, I mean, some of those aren't too terribly bad, and most of them are really bad. So, I'd like to say I know what I'm doing wrong, but I really don't, because I don't know if it's my machine or if it's me. Like I said, I hate to be that bad dancer who blames the dance floor. But, like, there are times where I'll, like, just barely touch on that pedal and I'll just get a little current. And there are other times I'll barely touch on it, and it's like it's going full blast. In fact, this thing starts acting like a plasma cutter. Like, it's really fucking weird. I don't get it. Now, a lot of times I've noticed I'm fucking horrible with contaminating the tungsten, so maybe that's part of my problem. I don't know. I know a few of these, like, it was even hard to get the arc started to begin with, and then when it did, it started not quite where I wanted it to start. So there is that. I mean, it's taking some getting used to here. So, like I said, some of these aren't too terribly bad, and others are just like, yuck. But yeah, that's what it is. By the way, I do have an Etsy store. I'll put a link to it down below if you want to buy stuff out of it. Right now I've got snowmen, and I've got cats in there, and I've actually been thinking about putting these there, even these ones that you're looking at. Like, if somebody wants to buy these off of me, I will gladly sell them to you. Because somebody already did buy one, and I'm just like, okay, wow. If you like it, okay. I mean, I was like shocked. I'm like, okay, yeah, if you want it, yeah, we can work something out. So, yeah, if anybody likes these, if anybody wants one, yeah, sure, I'll sell one to you. I don't care. I'm all about the capitalism. But yeah, that's what I've been at today. And like I said, some of them turned out kind of okay, and most of them turned out kind of. So thanks for watching, everyone. I'm gonna get back to trying to get good at this here. Have a good day. Love you alls.